Hey Victoria, did you get a chance to look at the new EMR system?
Yes, I have. What do you think about it?
It seems a bit overwhelming. You have your dashboard with the 4 quadrants.
My members screen, my calendar, my alerts and requests received. The members screen displays your caseload. The calendar screen displays your activities. My alerts tells you if your member got admitted to a local hospital, and the request received is where you are assigned work from your manager or team member.
Well, what about those two houses?
I'm not sure which does what. Since Guiding Care 7 is a web-based software, it uses the browser. Be careful not to touch the white house because it will take you out of the program. The black house is used to bring you back to the dashboard.
Okay, I see.
What if I want to do a search for my member? There are 2 ways you can search for your member. Do a simple search or an advanced search.
What is the difference?
A simple search returns you at least 10 members with similar names. An advanced search returns that member only.
What about member accessed?
Member accessed is a drop-down that displays your member that you have searched within the last 24 hours.
This morning I accepted 3 different tasks on my request received list.